Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a product category in Odoo. If you need to clean up your product setup and remove a category you no longer use, Odoo makes the process very straightforward. Keeping your product categories organized is important because it helps your team find products faster, manage inventory more efficiently, and maintain a cleaner database. Over time, businesses often create categories they no longer need. So knowing how to remove outdated ones can help keep your Odoo system running smoothly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can delete a product category quickly and confidently. Before deleting any category, it's always a good idea to review whether it is still connected to products or other inventory settings. This quick check can help you avoid removing something that is still important for your daily operations. To begin, open the Inventory app from your Odoo dashboard. This is where you can manage product-related settings and configurations, including categories. The Inventory app contains many important tools for organizing your products, tracking stock, and controlling how items are displayed throughout your system. Once you're inside the Inventory app, look toward the top left area of the screen and click on Configuration. This menu gives you access to several setup options for your inventory and product organization. From the Configuration menu, select Categories under the Products section. After you click that, you'll be taken to the page that displays your full list of product categories. This is the area where you can review the categories currently available in your system and identify the one you want to remove. Take a moment to review the list carefully, especially if your business has many categories. Removing the wrong category can affect how your products are organized, so confirming the selection before deletion is always recommended. Now find the category you want to delete and check the box next to it. Be sure you select the correct category before moving forward, especially if you have several categories with similar names. Taking a moment to confirm your selection can help prevent deleting the wrong one by mistake. Once the category is selected, go to the top of the list view and click on Actions. This will open a drop-down menu with available bulk actions for the selected item. From that menu, choose Delete. Odoo will then remove the selected product category, and that's all there is to it. The product category has been deleted. After deleting the category, it's a good practice to review your product list and confirm that everything is still organized correctly. This helps ensure your inventory structure remains clear and easy to manage. As a quick tip, if you're unable to delete a category, it may be because it's still being used elsewhere in your database. For example, the category may still be assigned to existing products, inventory rules, or other records inside Odoo. In these cases, Odoo may prevent deletion to protect your data and avoid unwanted issues. In that case, you may need to review how that category is assigned before trying again. You can check which products or settings are connected to that category, update those records if needed, and then attempt the deletion again. But if the delete option is available and the category is not restricted by any existing usage, the process should work exactly as shown. This is a simple but useful task for keeping your product list organized and making sure your category structure stays clean and relevant. A well-maintained category structure can improve productivity, especially for businesses with large inventories, where employees need quick access to the right products. If you're regularly updating your inventory setup, knowing how to remove unused categories can save time and reduce clutter. Regular database maintenance, including removing outdated categories, helps keep your Odoo workspace organized and easier to manage as your business grows. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to delete a product category in Odoo.